Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, launch date 28 August 2014, objective to promote financial inclusion by providing access to financial services including banking, savings accounts, remittances, credit, insurance and pensions affordably. Significance: forms the backbone for several government economic initiatives and facilitate direct benefit transfer (DBTs). Eligibility: the applicant should be an Indian national. The applicant should be aged between 18 and 59 years. If minors above 10 years apply, then will require support from their legal guardians to administer their Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan account. An individual can open an account under this scheme with any bank branch or business correspondent outlet. Accounts opened under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana can be opened with zero balance. However, if the account holder wishes to get a checkbook, he or she will have to fulfill the minimum balance criteria. The account holder under the scheme will be given a RuPay debit card which can be used across all ATMs for cash withdrawal. Scheme highlights: zero balance account can be opened with no minimum balance requirement. RuPay debit card provides a free RuPay debit card with inbuilt accident insurance coverage, accident insurance up to Rupee 2 lakh, life insurance up to Rupee 30,000 for eligible first time account holders. Overdraft facility up to Rupee 10,000 is available to one account per household with an additional Rupee 5,000 loan after 6 months of satisfactory account activity. Coverage focus: 66.6% of accounts are in rural and semi-urban areas with 55.6% of account holders being women. Banking access: 99.95% of inhabited villages have banking facilities within the 5-kilometer radius. Recent development: account increased from 14.72 crore in March 2015 to 53.13 crore by August 2024. Deposits in Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts surged from Rupee 15,670 crore March 2015 to over 2.31 lakh crore August 2024. Financial year 24-25 target: the government aims to open an additional 3 crore Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts, operative accounts, out of 173 crore CASA accounts in the country. Over 53 crore are Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts with an 80% operational rate.